Imagine you're at the top of a roller coaster. Suddenly, the coaster plunges downwards and whoosh! Hi, I'm Shankar Krishna. Let's learn kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy in less than 5 minutes. Welcome to the second video in our GCSE series. We're going to be making more such videos, so stay tuned for more. Imagine you're at the top of a roller coaster. Your heart racing with anticipation. You're sitting still, yet you can feel the energy buzzing in your veins. That's potential energy, waiting for its moment to shine. Suddenly, the coaster plunges downwards and whoosh! The stored energy transforms into something electrifying, which is the kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Kinetic energy is associated with objects in motion and potential energy with objects at rest. Mathematically, kinetic energy is half mv squared. If the position of the object above the ground is also considered, then the potential energy becomes gravitational potential energy. Remember that the mass is in kilograms and the velocity is in meters per second. These energies switch between them. Let's see how they work. Imagine a pendulum swing. At the highest point of the swing, the pendulum pauses briefly, holding all its energy as potential energy, like a secret waiting to be revealed. Then gravity pulls it down, and the stored energy transforms into kinetic energy, making the pendulum swoosh through its lowest point. As it rises again, the motion slows, transferring back to potential energy. Subscribe for more such content.